the situation. He could have handled it better, or could have chosen his words probably better, but emotions got the better of him. But I know the statement that he made was very wrong, was a wrong statement at the time for somebody that advocates for African players and an African continent. But there you contradict yourself in what he said, because it was not pleasant towards. I purely just take it down as emotions of the game and the situation where he kind of felt that he has to back his team, and then
Mhm.
later realizing, I made a wrong call there. We all humans,
Mm.
we all make mistakes. And, when it comes from somebody that I know personally and I know how he feels about our continent and our people and players that plays for him, he's the most stand-up guy that any African player will ever play for.